told is Soelhead Harley Davidson from the 50s and 60s and 90s. I like 50s and 60s American and the British rock and roll. I like is 50s and 60s American cars and American motorcycle.
I have 2 tattoos too, so.
You?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Where?
In my arms.
I've also 4.
Yeah. But that's like 2, but I'm gonna get more.
Yeah? Okay. In Austria. Are you ready for the questions? Okay, you can start.
I read a story that some of you remember lyrics or the music by different pictures or colors. Is it true? Would you explain the process of, for instance, learning the lyrics of the song and so on?
It's first, I think it's Pertti who does our riffs, and of course we use method of colors and shapes because it's easier for us to do the music. So it's learning process.
Okay.
And Kari does our lyrics.
Okay.
So it's Mike from easyclass.com. You're quite a big touring band. What's the best place that you've ever played a gig in the whole world?
It's hard to say. There are a lot of places that we like to play. So I think yeah. Right now it's the Eurovision. Well, I think it's going to be one of the best places, but we'll see. There are a lot of like.
Okay.
In Finland, there are lots of good places.
Is very good the cage plays and Saksa.
In Germany.
Okay. Tony would like to say.
Tämä tuli mieleen, että mä oon soittanut 6-vuotiaana humpuja ja sitten oli tämä Timppa oli mun humpuopettaja ja Timppa näytti, että miten soitetaan vaan tanssimusaa ja sitten tuli vaan taitoa, että miten sujuu tämä Pertti Kurikan nimipäivä ja me annutaan, että me tultiin siihen tulokseen, että me ollaan tehty paljon haastatteluja ja sitten oli paljon ilmahin kirjoittelua ja sitten oli ja semmoinen juttu, että semmoinen asia, että me tultiin tämän takia Viiniin näyttämään meidän voitto ja me nähdään torilla.
Okay, so Tony was saying that he has played drums since he was 6 years old, so quite a lot of time now, quite a long. And his teacher wanted him to play first like Schlager music. But then came Pertti Kurikan nimipäivä, and they have been touring a lot and played a lot, and they have done a lot of interviews and a lot of gigs. And they wanted to show to you all here in Eurovision this kind of music. And they are again, of course, want to win, and they will already invited you to come to the market square to celebrate.
Okay.
Tony is crazy boy. You crazy, you ask him to do that. Okay.